Everybody out there, and thank you so much for tuning in to Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. It's your girl, Shar'e, and I am one lucky girl because guess who I just ran into? The one and only boxing trainer, Ike Boyd, right down here in the heart of Broad Ripple at the one and only Yaps. I'm super excited, super
excited.
I know, so this is so random. You guys, this was a random, coincidental day, and I'm so geeked because I didn't even know that I was going to run into him today. I was going to do some covers tomorrow at the event, and so I was so lucky that you're here. Thank you so much for allowing me for getting this precious moment right here. Go ahead and tell them out there, like, what you have going on. I know you're a trainer in boxing.
Yeah, first of all, much love and shout out to Shar'e, Sounds of Shar'e, as well as New Blue TV. Check them out. But yeah, tomorrow is a big fight. Tomorrow night at the Sports Zone. Frank Martin is getting down. He's one of the young men that I train. Altier Tapia is also from my gym. I'll be working this morning too. Frank will be the next world champion from Indianapolis, Indiana. We will be fighting at Bankers Life Fieldhouse sometime in the next couple of years. He will carry the state of Indiana on his back. There's a lot of upcoming young, talented fighters here in the state of Indiana who hasn't got the recognition that they deserve as of yet. But those wheels are turning and things are starting to open up. So please come out tomorrow night. Sports Zone. Doors open at 6. Fight starts at 7 o'clock. Check out your next world champion from Indianapolis, Indiana. Right here, you're gonna put us on the map. We're gonna put us on the map. So thanks to people like my girl Shar'e here doing her thing, New TV and all of that. That's what it's about. So we're just trying to keep it moving and let people know that Indiana's here. We're gonna stand up.
All right, everybody. So as you heard, tomorrow at Sky Zone.
Yeah.
Sky Zone, it starts at 6 o'clock, and you'll be able to see all the amazing fighters. But make sure you definitely stay tuned to Frank and his trainer, Ike Boyd. You'll be able to see some of the back footage of that later on in the episode, but I cannot wait till tomorrow. Thank you so much for giving me some of your private time. I know I have enjoyed meeting you. It was such an honor to meet you here. We're going to let you get back to your meal, but you've heard it here first on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. It's your girl. I'm logging out.